Full paper questions on body fluids and circulation. Group A. Answer all 35 questions. 1. Which of the following is the primary function of blood plasma? A. Oxygen transport. B. Nutrient absorption. C. Temperature regulation. D. Transport of hormones and waste products. 2. In which blood vessel does the exchange of gases and nutrients occur at the tissue level? A. Arteries. B. Veins. C. Capillaries. D. Venules. 3. What is the approximate percentage of red blood cells, RBCs, in human blood? A. 10% B, 25% C, 45% D, 70% 4. Which of the following is not a component of the lymphatic system? A. Lymph nodes. B. Lymphatic capillaries. C. Spleen. D. Pancreas. 5. Which of the following substances decreases hypertension? A. Sodium. B. Vasopressin. C. Atrial natriuretic factor. D. Adrenaline. 6. What is the function of the sinoatrial SA node in the heart? A. Atria contraction. B. Ventricular contraction. C. Blood clot formation. D. Electrical signal initiation. 7. Which disease is caused in fetus due to mismatch of Rh antigen in parents? A. Thalassemia. B. Hemophilia. C. Erythroblastosis foetalis. D. Pernicious anemia. 8. What is the term for the formation of a blood clot within a blood vessel? A. Hemolysis. B. Thrombosis. C. Hematoma. D. Hemorrhage. 9. What is the main function of the lymphatic system? A. Oxygen transport. B. Fluid balance and immunity. C. Nutrient absorption. D. Carbon dioxide removal. 10. Which of the following hormones increases blood sugar levels? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Thyroxine. D. Estrogen. 11. What is the primary function of albumin in blood plasma? A. Oxygen transport. B. pH regulation. C. Osmotic pressure maintenance. D. Antibody production. 12. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Aorta. C. Pulmonary vein. D. Vena cava 13. Which of the following blood cells produces antibody? A. T helper lymphocyte. B. Basophil. C. Mast cell. D. B lymphocyte. 14. Which component of the heart's electrical conduction system carries impulses from the atria to the ventricles? A. Atrioventricular. AV node. B. Bundle of his. C. Purkinje fibers. D. Sinoatrial. SA node. 15. What is the primary function of the pericardium? A. Regulation of blood pressure. B. Protection of the heart. C. Oxygen transport. D. Hormone production. 16. Which of the following factors increases blood pressure as an immediate effect? A. Vasoconstriction. B. Low blood volume. C. Decreased cardiac output. D. Dehydration. 17. What is the time taken for the common relaxation phase of both atria and ventricles in a normal cardiac cycle? A. 0.1 second. B. 0.4 second. C. 0.3 second. D. 0.7 second. 18. Which of the following is a characteristic of lymphatic vessels? A. High blood pressure. B. One-way valves. C. Oxygen transport. D. Thick walls. 19. What is the function of the semilunar valves in the heart? A. Prevent backflow of blood into the atria. B. Regulate blood flow between atria and ventricles. C. Regulate blood flow out of the ventricles into the arteries. D. Prevent backflow of blood into the veins. 20. Which part of the brain controls basic cardiovascular functions like heart rate? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Thalamus. 21. What is the normal range for blood pH in humans? A. 5.0, 5.5. B. 6.0, 6.5. C. 7.35, 7.45. D. 8.0, 8.5. 22. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body's tissues? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Dorsal aorta. D. Vena cava. 23. What is the primary function of the lymph nodes in the lymphatic system? A. Nutrient absorption. B. Production of lymph. C. Filtration of lymph and generation of immune response. D. Oxygen transport. 24. Which of the following conditions is characterized by high blood pressure? A. Hyponatremia. B. Hemorrhage. C. Thalassemia, D. Atherosclerosis. 25. What is the role of aldosterone in blood pressure regulation? A. Promotes sodium reabsorption by the kidneys. B. Inhibits cardiac output. C. Dilates blood vessels. D. Decreases heart rate. 26. Which component of blood is responsible for its red color? A. Carboxyhemoglobin. B. Oxyhemoglobin. C. Carboaminohemoglobin. D. Methemoglobin. 27. Which of the active forms of the following factors converts inactive prothrombin to active thrombin? A. Factor 8. B. Factor 9. C. Factor 10. D. Factor 11. 28. Which of the following is not a function of the spleen in the circulatory system? A. Blood filtration. B. Red blood cell storage. C. Immune response. D. Production of T lymphocyte. 29. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation? A. Pulmonary artery. B. Pulmonary vein. C. Aorta. D. Coronary artery. 30. What is the condition in which the heart beats too slowly? A. Tachycardia. B. Bradycardia. C. Fibrillation. D. Arrhythmia. 31. Which of the following hormones is produced by the kidneys and regulates red blood cell production? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Erythropoietin. D. Adrenaline. 32. Which component of blood is primarily responsible for blood clotting? A. Fibrin. B. Albumin. C. Reticulin. D. Tubulin. 33. What is the function of the mitral valve in the heart? A. Prevent backflow of blood into the left atria. B. Regulate blood flow between right atria and right ventricle. C. Regulate blood flow out of the ventricles into the aorta. D. Prevent backflow of blood into the veins. 34. Who discovered A, B, and O blood groups? A. Carl Landsteiner. B. Robert Brown. C. Marcello Malpighi. D. Ronald Ross. 35. What is the term for the process by which white blood cells engulf and digest foreign pathogens and foreign proteins? A. Phagocytosis. B. Hemolysis. C. Osmosis. D. Hematopoiesis group. B. Answer 10 questions from the following. 36. Which of the following substances is not transported by the circulatory system? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Glucose. D. Nitrogen. 37. What is the function of the chordae tendineae in the heart? A. Regulate blood pressure. B. Prevent backflow of blood into the atria. C. Transmit electrical impulses. D. Control heart rate. 38. What is the role of the vasa, vasarum in blood vessels? A. Oxygen transport. B. Nutrient absorption. C. Supplying blood to vessel walls. D. Gas exchange. 39. Which of the following hormones is produced by the adrenal glands and increases heart rate and blood pressure? A. Insulin. B. Thyroxine. C. Adrenaline. Epinephrine. D. Glucagon. 40. What is the function of the foramen ovale in fetal circulation? A. Oxygen exchange. B. Bypassing the lungs. C. Regulating heart rate. D. Nutrient absorption. 41. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood to the liver? A. Hepatic artery. B. Hepatic portal vein. C. Inferior vena cava. D. Coronary artery. 42. What is the term for a rapid and uncoordinated heart contraction? A. Bradycardia. B. Fibrillation. C. Tachycardia. D. Angina pectoris. 43. Which of the following has the widest diameter of lumen? A. Systemic aorta. B. Inferior vena cava. C. Jugular vein. D. Femoral artery. 44. What is the term for the formation of a blood clot that travels through the bloodstream and may block a vessel? A. Hemorrhage. B. Hematoma. C. Embolism. D. Hemorrhoids. 45. Which of the following is not a type of white blood cell? A. Lymphocytes. B. Neutrophils. C. Erythrocytes. D. Monocytes. 46. Which leukocyte is most numerous in blood? A. Eosinophil. B. Neutrophil. C. Basophil. D. Monocyte. 47. What is the medical term for high cholesterol levels leading to plaque buildup in arteries? A. Hypertension. B. Hypernatremia. C. Atherosclerosis. D. Hypokalemia. 48. Which organ is called graveyard of RBC? A. Thymus. B. Bone marrow. C. Spleen. D. Thyroid. 49. What causes the second heart sound? A. Closure of atrioventricular valves. B. Closure of semilunar valves. C. Opening of atrioventricular valves. D. Opening of semilunar valves. 50. Which component of the blood plays a key role in the body's immune responses? A. Albumin. B. Prothrombin. C. Immunoglobulin. D. Hemoglobin. Now please note down the answers and evaluate yourself. 1. D. Transport of hormones and waste products. 2. C. Capillaries. 3. C. 45%. 4. D. Pancreas. 5. C. Atrial natriuretic factor. 6. D. Electrical signal initiation. 7. C. Erythroblastosis foetalis. 8. B. Thrombosis. 9. B. Fluid balance and immunity. 10. B. Glucagon. 11. C. Osmotic pressure maintenance. 12. C. Pulmonary vein. 13. D. B. Lymphocyte. 14. A. Atrioventricular AV node. 15. B. Protection of the heart. 16. A. Vasoconstriction. 17. B. 0.4 second. 18. B. One-way valves. 19. C. Regulate blood flow out of the ventricles into the arteries. 20. C. Medulla oblongata. 21. C. 735, 745, 22. C. Aorta. 23. C. Filtration of lymph and immune response. 24. D. Atherosclerosis. 25. A. Promotes sodium reabsorption by the kidneys. 26. B. Hemoglobin. 27. C. Factor 10. 28. D. Production of T lymphocyte. 29. A. Pulmonary artery. 30. B. Bradycardia. 31. C. Erythropoietin. 32. A. Fibrin. 33. C. Prevent backflow of blood into the left atria. 34. D. Karl Landsteiner. 35. A. Phagocytosis. 36. D. Nitrogen 37. B. Prevent backflow of blood into the atria. 38. C. Supplying blood to vessel walls. 39. C. Adrenaline, epinephrine. 40. B. Bypassing the lungs. 41. A. Hepatic artery. 42. B. Fibrillation. 43. B. Inferior vena cava. 44. C. Embolism. 45. C. Erythrocytes. 46. B. Neutrophil. 47. C. Atherosclerosis. 48. C. Spleen. 49. B. Closure of semilunar valves. 50. C. Immunoglobulin. Please note that this is a practice paper, and you can calculate your score at the end to assess your knowledge of the topic. Good luck with your NEET and Olympiad preparation. Dear students, please note that if you have any doubt regarding the answer of any question, please write in the comment box. We will definitely answer and clear your doubts.